Hello everyone, today, in this video, I am going to show you how to change your religion on TikTok. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. If you watch this video till the end, then you will be able to change your religion inside TikTok. Open your profile and tap on top right 3 lines. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Now here you have to click on Account. After that you have to click on Account Information. Now click on Account Region. Now select your region here. You can also search and select your country here. To change the region inside TikTok, you must be in the country you are selecting for more than 90 days. If you have been in the country for less than 90 days, then you will not be selected. And this way you can change your region on TikTok. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.